ClickUp is a really good tool for agencies. It's a tool that my agency currently uses and our PM raves about it. We started our journey on PM tools with Asana. We were on Asana for about a year and a half. What I found Asana, it was probably too much for more designers and developers. It had a lot of features we just weren't using and it was extremely pricey. We tried Asana for about a year and a half and it just got way out of our budget. We switched over to Notion next. Stayed on Notion for about another year, maybe year and a half. Notion was great, but it lacked some of the features. Whereas Asana was too feature rich. Notion was not feature rich enough. And although the price was very tempting, what we decided to do next was ClickUp. I heard about ClickUp through a number of different sources. I did my research, our PM did our research, and we decided to sort of go for it. It was, in my opinion, very reasonably priced. And I'll tell you why I like ClickUp. It's very reasonably priced, and you can invite guests. Whereas our bill on Asana was maybe $300-400 a month. On ClickUp, it's just like 150. On Notion, it was just $50, to be honest with you. But ClickUp is around 150. There's a lot of cool features. You can obviously create Kanban. There's a lot of interesting things you can do in terms of just tagging. You can create like overview pages. There's time tracking, which was really useful for me as someone who works with a lot of other contractors. Yeah, there was just a lot of appeal to it. Apart from that, ClickUp is very innovative. Where their product was 2 years ago to where it is now, it's pretty amazing. They also have like an AI feature, and there's a lot of good positive output coming from the company at the current moment and at a very reasonable cost as well. I'm in no way affiliated with ClickUp. I wish, but yeah, overall, I think it's a great tool for agencies. It's far better than any other ones. I've also used Trello. I haven't tried Monday, but there's been quite a few other ones that I've tested, and I found ClickUp to be the best one, as well as my PM would agree with me on that. With that being said, if you are looking to learn about ClickUp, Robin Hankey has a really good book. It's called ClickUp Guide for Freelancers, I believe. If you Google it, you'll find it. I bought it for RPM when it came out, and he had a lot of very glowing things to say about it. If you're starting that journey, I would probably pick up that one. The knowledge on ClickUp isn't great though. In terms of you're looking to use articles or YouTube, we tried that as well. That's why we ended up buying the book, which was a lot more advanced and just helped us with a lot of different things.